Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over some tools that helps me promote my businesses and generate income online, right? This is the first tool or first website I'm going to be talking about is webtalk. All right, webtalk is a social media platform that allows you to get paid while advertising your business. Not just that, you could advertise anything pretty much, quotes or anything like that, or anything political, anything without getting banned, like on Facebook. And Facebook doesn't pay you to post, of course. They just collect all the proceeds for themselves. All right. Now I'm gonna be going over some results for you from me, just barely advertising on YouTube. All right. So here's my stats for the month of August. I got 11 referrals. Okay, I got 2 affiliates that signed up for the referral rewards program, right? And I have $130 pending, and that'll be paid out as soon as my download line reaches the $100 threshold. All right. Now I'm gonna be going over a couple other things here. How you can set up your profile in the back office. So we're gonna go ahead and click on here. Okay, this is about section, and then you can just fill in your information here. All right. So this is how you could fill it out, and then this is my timeline. I posted. I'm in 24 level up, and I posted about that. Right. Free bot system. Just some quotes I'm doing. So the more likes you get and the more engagement is, the more you'll get points, and you earn reward points on that. Right. So I'm gonna be moving over to Leadleap. Okay. So Leadleap is another free platform you can join. I do recommend upgrading to Pro though. Okay. So we're gonna go to the dashboard here. Right. And so you can build your own funnels, get traffic, build a list, build a follow-up series, and sustain growth pretty much. Right. Right. So we're gonna go to how you could advertise on this platform. You just go to Pro Ad Credits for free. But the bad thing about this though is you have to click on ads, at least 10 ads a day to get that. What I do is just go here, post pro ads, add a new ad, put your affiliate link in here, the URL, create a catchy title, put some ad text, get a relevant image on that, and then start advertising. And here's some of my advertising here. All right, now we're gonna go over to the next one that you can get traffic from. So these are all lead sources. So this is SMS phone leads. Okay, so SMS phone leads, SMS Blaster. Okay, so you could have 200 a day Blaster account. All right, and let's go home here. Let's see. Let me just log in here. And I already sent out some, and I already got some leads from that. So they got quick start guide, mobile marketing. All right, and that's the wave of the future, guys. Okay, so 98% of people open up their text messages within the first couple seconds of receiving it, rather than having to send out emails all the time. Only 30% open up those half of the time. And you also get a traffic rotator as well too. Okay, and then you also get you can create your smart funnel as well too, and I'll show you that your 2-page funnel. Okay, opt-in page, bid page, primary offer. Okay, and that's when you promote your link. All right, and here's my link right here. That's what you get. All right, and then the next one we're gonna go over to is Herculist. Okay, Herculist, you could join also for free, but you could send only to a limited number of people. I do recommend you upgrading to at least gold or a lifetime member. All right, I do recommend using the Hercules login ads, or this is what I've been using to upgrade um, to grow my list is the Hercules Prime ads, 25% off sale. Okay, you could also do the solo ad special. So let me go ahead and click on that. Oh, let me go back in here. So you could go ahead and let's see, log in, and then go to the web. So hold on, let me go back here. Go to the members area. Click off this. All right, go to add mailers. Okay, and then you could just send out mails every day. Okay, just go here. Or what you could do is resubmit previous ad. And then you could just put this in here. And then you could just send it out. And I'm just going to show you right now real quick. Okay, and then that is going to go out. And then I'll show you some of the results I've been getting on that. Been doing that. And I haven't been doing it. I've been doing it every other day. And let's see, page manager. So we'll just go down to Jarvis. So I have 62 opt-ins. And if I just go on my my link tracker here, herculist.com here, got 7 opt-ins, and I've been promoting it on Leadleap as well. I have 9 opt-ins. YouTube, I'm getting opt-ins as well, and I have been generating some sales. So I'll just go. Let's see. Where is it at? And I'm up to $53 a month just by promoting it with free or cheap, very cheap traffic. All right, now if you are interested in joining any of these lead sources, feel free to click the link below. And thank you for viewing my channel.